Alrighty guys, in today's video for the CAD positioning feature, we're going to be looking at a practical number 5. And this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now in today's video or practical, I want you guys to try this type of layout. So as you see, we've got here a few circles in a line, and they are not the same size. So we have 3 that's the same size and 2 that's not. So I want you guys to try to create this. In today's video though, you can use a square or rectangle, anything like that, but I want you to use just the actual linear positioning to get this right. So instead of manually placing these in between ones, I want you to calculate all of that. But yeah, otherwise give it a try and pause this video, and then if you don't come right or you're curious about the process I took, you can just unpause and have a look after that, and I'll show you. Okay, I'm hoping you guys gave that a try. So I'm going to quickly run through the process I took, and then just so you guys can see how to go about it. So I'm going to select this, just remove it. I'm going to start by adding a circle. I'm going to make this 100, and then I'm going to go to the linear position. Click here, leave the top 2 at 0, and then I'm going to put it, let's say, make it a 400 spacing between them. So it's easy to calculate the center of that. So we know 200 will be the center. Then the angle I'm going to leave the same, and I'm going to make 3 of these. So now we've got a 100 circle with 400 spacing between each one of these circles, and we have 3 of them. So then what I'm going to do next, I'm going to go the circle again. This time I'm going to make this one, let's maybe make it about what, 200, 300. Let's make it twice as big, 200, and then I'm going to go to the linear positioning again. Now what's important is our X needs to change on our starting position. So we can have it start over here and then jump to the next one. So now, like I said, we've got a 400 space between this, so we want to divide that in 2. So I'm going to make this one 200, and then the actual spacing here I'm going to keep consistent, so also 400, same as we did with the previous one. So we know between this middle and that middle is going to be 400, so we know the second one is aligned to the right position. Angle I'm going to leave, and then this time I'm going to make 2 of them. Say okay, and then there you go. Now we've got our 3 smaller holes, or 3 smaller cutouts, with our 2 bigger ones. So that's a way you can kind of go about using a linear type positioning with different shapes and sizes, but yet keeping a form of consistency throughout them. So most of it is just through the calculation of the spacing apart and making sure your next big size doesn't overlap your smaller one. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the practical number 5. I hope you guys find it useful. And if we head here though to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And you can also isolate your search here on the top right. But if you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.